Today we are looking at the DAIHATSU MD-MX oil mist sensor and controller. The DAIHATSU MD-SX2 is an advanced marine crankcase oil mist detector. It serves as a vital safety system to prevent catastrophic crankcase explosions. It achieves this by identifying microscopic oil particles generated by overheating bearings. The controller manages flexible configurations, supporting up to 16 individual sensor detection points. Typically operates on a 24-volt DC, 1.5 amp power supply. It uses light scattering techniques to sample oil mist densities within a highly compact sensor arrangement. Sensors insert directly through the sidewalls of each engine cylinder crankcase sidewalls and use natural diffusion. Controller have 16-channel configuration, but on this generator, only 5 installed, all showing healthy with green LED on. To start alarm test, on the controller, press Test button and go to Alarm Detection Check option and enter. Now display showing A1, that is, alarm set point, and below is current sensor detection value. To activate test, decrease A1 value, lower than current reading, and proceed to check. Pre and high alarm LED trigger with audible alarms activation. Reset the alarms. The sensor goes back to measuring mode. If you testing during generator running, it will tripped, so carry out mechanical reset. On the main panel, also during testing, oil mist. High trip lamp will activate. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.